Alright, hello everyone. I'm just going to do a European update. You're probably going to see a few more videos from me this week because this is my full-time trading week, I call it. So, Euro US dollar, I touched upon this in an earlier video that I did. It was probably a few hours ago. I'll probably do one now, and then I'm going to do a follow-up video later tonight. I'll do a follow-up video later tonight if there's something interesting to talk about. If not, I'm going to focus on the US stock market, which opens at 9:30 evening my time here in Perth. So, and again, there's been a couple of people that have reached out to me, and I did put an ad up on Gumtree, just inviting people to contact me that were interested in learning the trade. I would say your best resource is get in touch with me and I'll send you the backtesting video. I understand you're going to be like, what does that mean? Watch the video, understand what backtesting is, and then go from there. Do not start trading low time frames, and you really don't want to worry about making money straight away. That's I did that, and against professional advice. And trust me, you just have to go very slowly with trading. Now, Euro US dollar. This is the 15-minute time frame, so it has actually made a push higher. If we go to the hourly chart now, that's an engulfing candle there. So this is interesting. This is particularly interesting. The concern I have though is there's a lot of resistance that has to deal with that. So we'll go to the 4-hour, and as you can see, the 4-hour is interesting. If we just look at it from this sort of chunk here, it looks pretty promising, and that it's bounced. But if we look to the left and we see the context of the situation, it's not great at all. Really where it's at now, 11676. You're going to see there's so much congestion there. I mean, if you just look at the pattern though, you could say it would just be following that, continue on, and then get up to here. And I would sort of agree to that. So we'll see what it wants to do tonight. The 9 o'clock candle for the 4-hour time frame is going to be pretty key for me. USD yen. In previous videos, saw me drinking coffee. This video, I'm drinking coffee. One thing you'll find yourself, if you're a trader in this sort of time frame, if you've got a crazy life like I do with my work schedule and whatnot, you become addicted to caffeine probably, but that's okay. As long as it's good quality caffeine. USD yen. Okay. So range band again. There's limited opportunities. So what I've been working on is on the lower time frame. So if you're a beginner trader watching this, probably don't. You wouldn't even need to worry about making a trade when things like this. If you're on the higher time frame, when you're starting out, the trend is your friend, and you have to be patient. So I played the USD earlier in the month. I captured that, but then I thought, I didn't load the boat, but I thought it could really go. But I got out here. I started dropping. I'm like, nope. I didn't like it at all. And my concern was it really moved. I would have liked to see this happen and then a pullback and then it continued on. It didn't really, just sort of shot off a null and then it got stronger. I'm like, got a little concerned about that. So how to explain, when you see so many charts, there's a subconscious, component that you build in your trading ability, and you'll know when something is overextended and that there's very likely chance of pullback. It's just an organic feature of the markets. It will want to revert back to the mean after a massive push higher, and it did pretty quickly. So you've got to sort of remember that. There's come to a time you want to look at the charts, you want to do your backtesting, then do your demo trading as well. All of 2017 for me was backtesting, demo trading. I filmed everything. I journaled everything. I understand that's like how that seems really tedious and terrible, but the really good traders are meticulous. You have to be meticulous with your approach. So anyway, back to it. So I've covered the Euro US dollar, USD yen. Pardon me. Let's go to the Aussie CAD now. Now I'm only now using the Oanda platform. So this is the FX trade platform I do use. If you have a smaller account, as you can see, I have a small account. I would strongly recommend you use this, just because if you have a small account, even if you use a micro lot at 0.01, and if you've wired a stop loss, you can actually risk more than, you know, like 2%. I only ever do maximum 2%. So that was a concern that I had. Okay, so on the daily, it's a pretty lackluster bounce, to be honest. We'll see what it wants to do here. This actually could be a long trade as well. So we'll see. In regards to fundamentals, this is just a purely technical play. So it's sort of holding this level here now at 96.50 odd. I'm on the couch, so I'm using the little mouse feature on the laptop here. But you know, the euro is interesting. We'll see. Go to the 4-hour. It's making high highs, and this is a pretty good candle right here. So this will close, I believe, at 5 o'clock. So in about 17 minutes, we'll see what it wants to do. And then what I'll do, I'll have a look at and see what the 9 o'clock candle does. And if it closes well, I might actually take a live trade. Okay, so I'll film it. I need to work out how to capture the screen live. So when you do the YouTube live video casting, it records me, not the screen. I really want the screen, so I'm going to have to work that out. I think I'm going to invest in a better setup for the office. So I'm talking a camera that films me in the office, so I can talk to it, and then something that captures the screen as well. Because I'm finding myself, I really enjoy YouTube. I enjoy broadcasting information out there for free. Now, I know the Gumtree ad said I'm charging. For anyone beginning the trading journey, I don't want any money. So if you become more advanced and you're calling me regularly for trading accountability, and that's what I will offer, keep you accountable. I've been to university for 4.5 years. I've worked with athletes and professional athletes as like a personal trainer type strength and conditioning coach, and I enjoy keeping people accountable. So I'll keep you accountable. But if you're beginning off, I don't want any money. I don't want to be, that is not what I'm here for. But if you are calling me several times a week, then, my time will, come at a premium, but only if you're a little more advanced. Because at the beginning stage, there's no point. You don't want to be talking to me about trade ideas. You just want to be learning what the price action means, the variables at play. So there are fundamentals that you have to consider as well to putting a case to build a trade thesis. That's important. But anyway, guys, that's it for now. Euro US dollar. I'll wait to see what this candle does, and then the 9 o'clock candle for confirmation, and then we'll go for there for a potential buy trade. And AusCAD as well, same. We'll see how the 5 p.m. closes, and then we'll go to the 9 p.m. But right now, this looks like it actually is getting a little wiki. Get wiki with it. So we'll see. But anyway, guys, thank you again. Leave a comment. Send an email. I think on Gumtree as well. My mobile's out there, so my mobile number is out there. So please, just if you're crazy, probably don't call me. But if you're looking to make money quickly, this is not. Look, man, I work a full-time job. I work more than a full-time job because I'm building my savings to add capital to the account. So I'm not, I'm not someone who's claiming fast money, easy money. If you want that, either go to a casino or go do binary options with some scam artist. Okay. Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye for now. Video will come about 9 o'clock Perth time, so 11 o'clock Sydney time. Bye for now.